In this video, we will learn how to install the current PHP version on Windows 11. With that, we will also run a sample PHP program. Go to the web browser. On Google, type PHP and hit enter. On hitting enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website php.net, and when you will go to this page, the current version will be visible here. That is PHP 8.5.8. We need to download it, so I'll directly click here for the downloads page. Now go below. Here the non-thread save as well as the thread save version is visible. We will go for the thread save version, that is here. Click on the zip file to download it. The download started, let's wait. We have downloaded the zip file. Right click and click show in folder. Here is a zip file. Right click and click extract all. Click extract. We have successfully extracted the zip file. Open it. Now right click, rename. I'll just give the following name. Now right click, click copy, go to C drive, program files, and right click, paste the same file, click continue. Now here is our PHP file. Open it, copy the path, minimize. Now go to start, type environment variables. Click edit the system environment variables here or click open. Here click environment variables. Go to system variables. Go below, here double click path. Click new and right click paste the same path. Click OK, OK and the last OK. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd. Click open. Type php-v and hit enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed PHP. Now let us minimize this and run our first PHP program. Let us run our first PHP program. Go to any drive. Let's say we will go to D drive. Here right click and click new. Click folder. Let's say I'll create a new folder. Open the folder. Let us create a new file. Right click new. Click text document. Let's say my file name is demo. Here .txt is visible. Change it to .php. When you click here and click yes, the file extension will change. If you are unable to find the extensions, go to view, click show and click file name extensions. I already selected it. When I'll uncheck this, the extension will vanish and you won't be able to change it. So I'll just go to view again and click show and select file name extension. Here is our PHP file. Right click and select edit in Notepad or Notepad++. Still many users use Notepad only, so I'll click edit in Notepad. Now let us run our first PHP program. You need to enclose your PHP code inside this. So to print something, we use the echo command and whatever you'll add inside echo will get printed. So I'm printing my name. Go to file, click save all. Now the path is the following. So go to the command prompt again. Here just reach the following path. You can directly right click and copy paste this. Okay, or you can go to here, type D drive. Since we are in D drive, you can create in any drive. Here when you will go to D drive, now type dir and now all the files of the D directory is visible. We are going for the Amit PHP project, so type cd Amit PHP project and hit enter. Now we are inside our Amit PHP project folder. That is, we only have a single file here. So I'll type dir and only a single file will be visible. Type php demo.php to run the program. So what will be our output? Our output will be Amit Diwan. I'll hit enter. Here it is, our output is Amit Diwan. So we ran our first PHP project for a free PHP, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript and jQuery tutorials. Refer to the links in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.